Disk space. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the purpose and usage of disk space dedicated to file attachments in your product information management. Attachments are an integral part of product information. They usually include images, technical documentation, instructions, certificates, or other multimedia files. Each attachment definition provides a path that allows external partners or systems to access these files. Attachments can be stored anywhere on the internet, for example on dedicated file servers owned by manufacturers or distributors. Alternatively, they can be stored directly inside ETIM-Mapper in the so-called disk space. This disk space is an integral part of the system, providing centralized storage and management of all file resources required for a complete and consistent product information. Every account comes with its own disk space available to its users. The internet address of this disk space, as well as the percentage of used storage, is clearly displayed in the dashboard. Storage size can be adjusted on request, depending on the account owner's requirements. Files stored in disk space are available to external users in read-only mode as part of the product information. Authorized users can manage disk space through the main menu option, Files, then Disk Space. The management panel allows you to upload files from your local computer into the current folder. Please note, if any uploaded file contains forbidden characters in its name, each instance will automatically be replaced with a single underscore. You can organize your resources by creating subfolders with the Create Folder button. Selected folders and files can also be deleted when no longer needed. For accounts with the supplier option enabled, subfolders named after supplier IDs are created automatically. If supplier users are also enabled, each supplier's user has access to their specific subfolder. Supplier folders cannot be deleted as long as a supplier with that identifier exists. In summary, disk space in ETIM-Mapper provides convenient storage, organization, and sharing of file attachments. It ensures full control for account users and easy read-only access for external partners. ETIM-Mapper keeps your product information complete, consistent, and well-structured.